Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY and also a product review. So I'm starting with these 3.5 by 5 picture frames. I took the backing out and I'm using the hot glue to glue the glass down to the frame so that can stay secure. Just run it all around the whole entire frame. Next, I pull the tabs out of the frame, the tabs that hold the glass down to the frame. So I just wiggled those out. This one was actually kind of tough to come out. They usually just come out really easy. If you have to use a pair of pliers to pull it out, then just do that. But usually I can just pull them out with just my fingers. But these were kind of tough this time. Next, I'm using some of the angel wings, and these are the ornament angel wings that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I have also seen these in Michael's as well. Of course, they're a little bit shorter in Michael's. So I removed the fur off of the wings on one of them, well, on two of them, and I'm keeping the fur on. You guys tell me which way you like it better, with the fur or without the fur. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with these wings here. Some days I love that fur on there, and then some days it's like, oh, it's just a little bit too much. So to glue these down, you have to find the point of contact with these wings. There's like a part that dips in on the back side where it's like closer towards the bottom, but kind of sort of in the middle. It's like a third of the way down, I guess, where it dips in. That's the part where you'll place the glue, because I mean yours, they may all be a little slightly different, but on mine, like the top of the wings, that wasn't a point of contact for me. It was only where it dips in was the only part that actually touched the frame. So that's where I placed the glue. You can use the E6000 if you desire to have this last longer, but I just used some hot glue on mine because I don't really care about it lasting for a long period of time. So this is how they're looking. One with the fur and one without the fur. And I'm just holding it down to make sure that the glue is dry. So this was my original idea. I actually wanted to place the two frames on the same candle holder, but it was too small, the space in between, because these are the tea light candle holders. That space was too small to me, so I didn't like the way that looked. If I had like one of those fish bowls or another type of candle holder to attach to the tea light candle holder, that would be better if you want to do it this way. But you need something that's going to stand out a little bit wider so you can have a bigger space in between the two frames. So I opted not to leave it this way. I just went ahead and just left one side of the frame. But that was the look I was going for. So I just didn't like it with this small tea light candle. So to glue this down, I used just a little dot of the E6000. And you need to put it at the very top. If you do it this way, you'll need to put it at the very top because that's the part that's actually going to be the widest. And then I used some hot glue to give it that instant stick. But of course, if you use like another candle holder on top of this tea light candle holder, you'll just find the widest spot on the candle holder that you place on top of this. So I'm just holding it down in place, and I have it spaced kind of like in between the opening of the wings. So I'm just holding it down in place until the hot glue dries. And you just want to hold it where it won't be like at an angle or anything. You want to kind of hold that tea light candle straight. So this is how it's looking. And I also use these mirrors to help stabilize it as well. And of course, you guys, if you want a lasting hold, please use the E6000. I'm only going to use the hot glue on mine though. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the product review, which you guys have been seeing it in my last few videos already. And it's going to be this desk. It's actually a computer desk that was sent to me, and the company's name is Oxley. So this desk is it's 60 inches, and it's actually a waterproof desk. I've been using it in my craft room. It's a computer desk or work, where you can do whatever type of work you desire to do, but it's advertised as a computer desk. I'm using it in my craft room, so it's giving me extra space to do my DIYs. I already had a table that's very similar to this. Mine was actually shorter than this desk. They're the same color. Mine stands just maybe an inch higher, probably not even a whole inch, because if you can see it here, I have it like an L shape. So there's the other desk is the original desk that I already had that I use as my craft table, and I used this as well in my craft room. So I'm enjoying my desk. Like I said, it is waterproof. It does have like the feet on it. It can adjust, like if your floors are uneven or something like that, you can adjust those feet to try to stabilize it to make it feel more even. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can check out this table if you're interested in purchasing one, this desk, rather. I'm using it as a table. I'm at work looking at computers all day. I don't desire to look at computers when I'm at home. So I'm using it in my craft room. But of course, I do have to look at stuff when I'm at home, especially with YouTube. But for the most part, I'll look at a tablet. So yeah, so anyway, this is the desk. I am enjoying it, and it's giving me the extra space that I needed in my craft room. So yeah, don't forget to check it out. I'll have that link in the description box. The company's name is Oxley, and this is the 60-inch in black, and they do have some other colors. So this is how the DIYs turned out. I have the two on the tea light candles, and I just put the other two on these easels because I didn't like the way they look with the joined together as a whole set. So you tell me what you think far as the fur or without the fur. So that's it, you guys. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you see here, you want to continue to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. So until next time, bye.